Hey guys, I have yet again another guest, or the same guest, and I'm gonna have her do the introduction today.
Hey guys, welcome to SincerelySiju. Today we're going to be using the same products that we used in the blindfolded makeup challenge, so make sure to check out that video. Also, we made a video with me and my mom and her, and we did Who Knows Her Better, so check that out. It's funny. Right?
We had so much fun. It was lots of fun, so go check it out. So I'm going to use the same products like the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, same foundation, same, this is the Bare Mineral foundation, Bare Pro and Cardamom, and Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me. I think this is called, I don't know, whatever, the blush. I don't know the name on it, it's not on it. So I'm going to use the same product. Go check out my video like she said. I used all this with my eyes closed. I did a look. I had something in my mind that I wanted to do. Of course, you know, you'll see what happens. So I'm going to do it with my eyes open. So I'm going to try to do the same look on her with my eyes open. So I'm going to start off with a primer to protect her skin. And I am using the, what is this? The Becca Prime Light. And primer is always good to put on right before foundation because it creates a barrier so that it protects your skin, hydrates the skin, and also it makes your foundation go on like smoothly. And your foundation sits really nicely on your skin, and also it makes your foundation last longer. So I'm going to take like about 2 pumps because this pump is like really small. She really doesn't need foundation, but just for the video. She has beautiful even skin, nice skin, so you really don't need this foundation at all. But for this video's sake, we're just going to do this. And I am using my L'Oreal sponge. And how do you feel with the sponge, Faith?
Feels nice.
This feels nice. This is her favorite part because the sponge is so soft and squishy, and she loves this. So, and like I said, she doesn't need foundation, she doesn't need concealer, but for this video's sake, she just wants to see how full face of makeup will look. So we're gonna do that. So very little. She doesn't have dark circles under her eyes, so she doesn't need concealer, but we're gonna just do it just for doing its sake, I guess, for video's sake. And there you go, just to brighten up the under eye. Her skin is beautiful. It used to be like that once upon a time for me too. So I'm going to use the Juvia's Place. I am going to go in with, well, let's do what we did in the video. I think I went in with this dark color at the corner, in the inner outer corner. So I'm going to do the same thing. Close your eyes. I'm going to just place this over here. See, we should always do eyes first and then do the foundation because you see how the eyeshadow falls on the face and it sort of messes up your foundation. I'm just placing all the colors. I'm going to blend it later. And next I'm going to take this almost like a golden, it's called Dania. That's the name of the color, and the color that I used on the corner is called Zobo. So this is Zobo and this is Dania. It's like a nice gold color. So I'm just placing the colors. I'm gonna blend it later. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush And I wanted something light. There's nothing light in here. I'm gonna go in with this orange color. I'm just gonna lightly tap, and then I'm gonna tap it off, so it's very little. And I'm gonna use that as my transition and just blend it. I'm gonna use that color and mix all three colors at where it joins. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Gia. It's a lighter shimmery color. I'm gonna just place it right above her brow, or right under her brow, and at the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. Close your eyes, and this is the eyeliner with its Essence, the brand Essence. Okay, I'm gonna do the eyebrows. Okay. Now I'm gonna put blush. Go like this. So I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. Okay, and then the last is going to be lipstick. And this time I'm going to get it on top. Alright guys, so this is the end product, and look at my beautiful girl. Anyway, now we have to go wash this off because you're not allowed to go out like this. This was just for fun. Don't worry, I got permission from parents. Love you. So what do you say? How do we end it?
Subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and turn on the post notifications.
Thank you. Have a great day. God bless.